Okay, we always look for a greatest common factor to divide out. I believe we can divide out a 10 from all three terms. So I'm going to have 10 here. And 10 times what gives us 10x squared, which is x squared. 10 times what gives us negative 80x. That's going to be negative 8x. And 10 times what gives us 150. Well, that's 15. So then I bring down the 10. And I'm going to set up two binomials to try to factor this trinomial into two binomials. Look at the second sign. It's a positive. So that means the signs we plug in are going to be the same. Then we look at the first sign to tell what they're both going to be. So minus minus. And then we need two terms, this term and this term, to multiply together to give us x squared. It just has to be x and x. Then two other terms to multiply together to give us 15. And since the signs are the same, those numbers have to have a sum of 8. So that's 5 and 3. And this should be factored correctly. If I want to check, I can multiply this back out. Let's take x times x, x squared, x times negative 3. That's going to be negative 5, x, and then negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. Combine the negative 3 and negative 5, you get negative 8x plus 15. And then we're going to multiply all that by the 10. So 10 times x squared is 10x squared. 10 times negative 8x is negative 80x. And then 10 times 15 is 150. And if we want to check to see if that's the same that we started with, it is. So that tells us we did this correctly. And our final answer is right there.